everybody, we're here at the Jack's Bowling here in Valdosta, Georgia. We got a vending machine here.
We got a Dixie Narco. Actually CPI, but it looks like Dixie Narco.
It's not a 5100-4 in here, as you can see. And we're probably going to get fruit punch here because it is one of the delicious here. So it only takes one bill here, but I don't think it's going to take it, but yeah. Hang on, guys. Apparently, it only takes $1 bill here. Probably I haven't read that correctly. Come on. There we go. Took it that time. Yes, I know it's pretty loud in here. See how... I know these are very expensive here. There we go, $3. We're gonna get D1. I love these. And there it is. And I do get some cash back because since it was more than actual prices, which was $2.50, even though I got $3, I got some coins back. All right, that's it.